You are a fire sprite, alive in color and light, dancing in a crowd of wonder we named life. You, tiny bowl of magnificent energy, you are everyone and no one all at once. Palms tingling, mute shouting, hair flying, heart beating in time to the music of this life. You are alive, despite the deaths of the past. And right now, this dance makes sense, feels right, each fist pump and foot bounce on time, synchronized with friends and strangers alike. But what happens when the music stops? When happiness fades to a mere memory swept up by the wind, your fire spirit flickers and dies out, and you are left alone in the rain. How do you keep dancing on broken toes, your body and soul left exposed, spinning in a storm with nowhere to go? When you've lost life's rhythm and you cannot find the beat, but know you've got to keep the music in your feet, you've got to keep dancing. Stretch further, dream bigger, push wider, think harder, remember who you are even when there's no one there to remind you. Reach higher. Fan your flame until it has to burn brighter. Force your body to remember even when life has you at a cliff's edge. Do not let the sadness drown you. Fan your flame. Dance through the pain. Keep dancing until you can hear the music again. It will return, softly, slowly. You will recall it through muscle memory. Life will give you back the beat. You will smile again freely. But by then, you will have learned how to keep dancing without a melody.